Hello, and welcome. We all desire wealth, but the question is, how do we command it? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money effortlessly, while others struggle their entire lives? It's not about luck or being in the right place at the right time, it's about tapping into a power that's available to each of us, yet rarely used. The truth is, there is a lost art to commanding wealth, a powerful secret that many overlook. Today, we're going to uncover that secret and show you how to use it to change your financial reality. We live in a world where people constantly strive for more money, more success, more freedom. But here's the truth, attracting wealth isn't about working harder or chasing every opportunity that comes your way. It's about understanding the invisible forces that shape our financial lives and learning how to direct them. Now, the first step in mastering the art of commanding wealth is understanding the role of your thoughts. Everything in your life, including your financial situation, is a reflection of your dominant thoughts. Wealth begins in the mind, and just like a seed grows into a tree, your thoughts grow into your reality. What are you thinking about money? Are you focusing on lack, or are you focusing on abundance? It's easy to get caught up in the negative side of things, fears about the future, worries about bills, concerns about never having enough. But let me tell you something important, every thought you have is a command to the universe. You must understand that the thoughts you hold in your mind about wealth are the ones that will manifest in your life. If you want to attract money, you need to shift your mindset to one of abundance. You need to feel worthy of wealth and believe that it is already yours. Start by imagining yourself living in complete financial freedom. Picture yourself surrounded by the things you've always wanted, the car, the house, the vacations, the time spent doing what you love. Really feel what it would be like to live a life of abundance. The more vividly you can imagine this, the faster it will become a part of your reality. This is not wishful thinking, this is the power of your imagination at work. Next, you need to take action. But this action is different from the typical hustle and grind mentality that so many people get caught up in. It's about inspired action, doing things that align with your vision of wealth. When you start to think differently about money, opportunities will begin to present themselves to you. You'll find yourself in the right place at the right time, meeting the right people, and being guided toward the actions that will bring you closer to your goals. But here's the thing, when these opportunities arise, you need to be ready to take them. That means getting clear about your intentions and staying open to the possibilities that come your way. The universe works in mysterious ways, and often the things we think we want don't come in the form we expect. Be willing to receive the wealth that's meant for you in whatever form it takes. Another key to commanding wealth is gratitude. When you appreciate what you already have, you send a message to the universe that you are open to receiving even more. The more grateful you are for the abundance that is already in your life, the more wealth will flow toward you. It's a simple, yet incredibly powerful principle. No matter how small the blessing, express gratitude for it, and watch as it multiplies. If you want to take this to the next level, you can start affirming your financial success daily. Affirmations are a powerful tool because they reprogram your subconscious mind. Instead of letting limiting beliefs dictate your life, you can choose new beliefs that align with wealth and abundance. Affirmations like, I am a magnet for wealth, money flows easily and effortlessly into my life, and I am worthy of unlimited abundance, can have a profound impact on your financial reality. But here's the catch, affirmations alone won't work if you don't believe them. You have to feel the truth of your affirmations in your heart. When you say, I am worthy of unlimited abundance, you need to truly believe it. You need to feel deserving of wealth. The key is aligning your inner belief system with your outer desires. If there's a disconnect between what you say and what you feel, the manifestation process will be slow. One of the most powerful tools for commanding wealth is visualization. Imagine the life you desire as though it's already happening. Picture yourself living in financial freedom, see yourself enjoying the wealth you've always dreamed of. This visualization process works because it taps into your subconscious mind, planting the seeds of success. Your subconscious then works on your behalf, guiding you toward the right decisions and opportunities that align with your vision. But visualization is not just about seeing what you want, it's about feeling it as well. Engage all your senses, hear the sound of money flowing into your life, feel the excitement of receiving unexpected financial windfalls, taste the success of your hard work paying off. The more real and vivid you can make this experience, the faster your subconscious mind will begin to manifest it. And while visualization is a powerful tool, it's not enough to simply dream about wealth. You have to act on those dreams. Success requires persistence, discipline, and faith. If you want to command wealth, you must be willing to do what it takes to achieve it. It's about being consistent in your actions, staying committed to your vision, and maintaining unwavering faith in the process. At the same time, you must be willing to release any old beliefs or habits that no longer serve you. If you've been holding on to beliefs about scarcity or lack, it's time to let them go. These old beliefs only keep you stuck in a cycle of financial struggle. Instead, replace them with new beliefs that support your vision of wealth. When you let go of the old and make room for the new, you open yourself up to receiving greater abundance. Wealth creation isn't just a matter of financial gain, it is deeply connected to how you feel about yourself and your capabilities. The internal shift required to truly command wealth often begins with deep self-awareness. It's about recognizing your worth and standing firmly in the belief that you deserve to live an abundant life. Many people struggle with this idea because they've been conditioned to believe that wealth is reserved for a select few. This belief, however, is nothing more than a limiting mindset. You have the power to claim your wealth, and it starts with changing your perception of yourself and what you are capable of achieving. One key aspect of wealth that is often overlooked is the energy behind your actions. Wealth flows when you are energetically aligned with your desires. If your actions are driven by fear, doubt, or worry, you are pushing wealth away. But when you take inspired action, guided by clarity and confidence, wealth will begin to flow toward you. This means that every decision you make, whether it's investing in a new opportunity or making small daily choices, should be made with the intention of moving closer to your financial goals. Now, let's talk about the role of giving in attracting wealth. It may sound counterintuitive, but one of the best ways to attract more wealth is by giving. When you give freely, whether it's your time, your money, or your resources, you send a message to the universe that you are in alignment with the flow of abundance. Giving is a powerful tool for attracting wealth because it shifts your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. The more you give, the more you receive in return. It's important to note that giving should always come from a place of love and generosity. Don't give with the expectation of receiving something in return. Give because you want to, because you believe that by sharing, you are contributing to the greater good. When you give from this place of genuine love, the universe will return the favor many times over. Now that we've discussed the mindset and actions needed to command wealth, let's take a look at the importance of faith. Wealth is not just about knowing the right steps to take, it's about having unwavering faith in the process. You have to believe that your financial dreams are possible, even when there's no immediate evidence to support them. Faith is the fuel that keeps you going when things get tough. It's what keeps you moving forward, even when the road seems unclear. When you have faith in your ability to command wealth, you'll find that the universe begins to open up to you in unexpected ways. You'll attract opportunities, people, and circumstances that align with your financial goals. But this requires trust that everything is unfolding as it should, even when you can't see the full picture. Faith is about knowing that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your dreams to fruition. If you're ready to step into the abundance that is waiting for you, don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel now. Remember that commanding wealth is not just about the money itself. It's about living a life of purpose, fulfillment, and abundance in all areas. Wealth is not just financial, it's emotional, spiritual, and physical. When you command wealth, you are not just calling in money, you are calling in the life you've always dreamed of, filled with love, happiness, and prosperity. To truly command wealth, you must become a magnet for it. You must be willing to align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the abundance you desire. When you do this, the universe will respond, and wealth will flow effortlessly into your life.